Hi, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. We had spoke on the phone earlier about this custom video. The reason I wanted to send it to you was to show you things that I'm sure you've just never seen before, and that could potentially help you double your current business. So the three things I want to talk to you about are backlinks, citations, and content. So if we come over here to Google and we search for tree service Irvine, that is a top search term. We always see the paid ads. Then we have the map pack, and below that is the organic section. So a main way of getting here on this first page is going to be through backlinking, and a backlink, simply put, is just one website linking to another website. So we'll see what this top guy has going on, Affordable Tree Service. We see that they have 25 referring domains or other websites, giving them 57 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see you have 6 referring domains, giving you 14 backlinks. We also see you being found for 4 keywords. So looks like just your business name is searched about 40 times a month. Tree Service Santa Ana, 250 times a month, and then some tree trimming and tree service, but smaller search volume. We see you're sitting in the 14th position for your name, the 82nd position for that bigger keyword, and then 80 and 82 again. So I wanted to show you some other search volume just to give you an idea of what's going on in Irvine. So over here we have the keywords, and then we have the search volume, and then we have position. So tree service Irvine is searched roughly 1,400 times a month. Tree service Irvine CA 1,900, tree trimming 1,700, tree trimming Orange County 1,000, and you can see the list just goes on and on. There's thousands of searches every month for people needing tree service in your area. So if you are not um, at the top of Google or that map pack, you are missing out on a lot of business. Speaking of the map pack, that is where citations come into play. So a citation is just a business name, address, and a phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. And so when I'm looking at how many citations any one business has, it's usually not more than 50. So we like to add about 350 just to sort of beat everyone out by a landslide. Some other pointers to ranking in the top 3 is to get a really good description on there and add lots and lots of photos, and then of course collecting those 5-star reviews. Really, really important, because if you do end up in the top 3 and you don't have 5-star reviews, you're going to find it difficult to compete with the other two guys. Last thing I want to talk to you about is content. You have a really nice website. I would just add a little bit more content to it. Google likes to see probably more than 1,500 words on this homepage, and then lots of content on all these back pages as well. I usually do about 750 or more on those back pages as well. So just to do a really quick recap for you, we want to go ahead and beat up, or not beat up, we want to beat out your competitor in backlinks. We want to get lots and lots of content on your website that has lots of keywords in it, so that way you can be recognized for all of these and start ranking for them. You want to get a GMB with lots of citations and get it fully optimized, and that'll help you rank in the top 3. All right, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this really helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and that's it. Thanks so much. Have a great day.